Hey, it's Coach Hoffman for FirefighterFitnessOnline.com. Today I'm going to talk about the new TRX product, the Rip Trainer. Everybody probably already knows by now I'm a big fan of anything that TRX does because I think it's very functional and specific to what firefighters need. But more specifically, we're going to talk about the Rip Trainer. Now the Rip Trainer is basically a metal rod with a bungee with 3 different resistance, light, medium, heavy. Today we're going to have the medium one on. The reason I'm a big fan of this is because 1, we can use it specifically as a warm-up device. 2, it really focuses on those anti-rotation muscles. So all the exercises we do on this, we're going to focus on the anti-rotators, which I believe is one of the most important aspects in firefighter performance training. So one of the things we can do is we can come out here and do a couple squats and presses. As you can tell, the bungee is forcing me to turn this way, so I have to create and force myself not to turn. So we'll do a couple there, and we can come on this side. So we're creating that anti-rotation. We will also go from basically going from this angle, then turning into a clock, okay? So basically doing chops and lifts. Now some people would think this is absolutely ridiculous, but this exercise right here is vital for a firefighter's anti-rotation. In terms of back prevention or injury prevention, this is a phenomenal exercise. Not only because you're stabilizing the hip, this is specific to firefighters and what they do on the job because they're in a split stance, but we're creating that anti-rotation so we don't hurt our back. We can go from the highest position to the low position. We can do rows, we can do chops, we can do a golf swing, samurai chop, a cross throw. But everything you're doing is developing from the hip and the core. We can incorporate circuits, we can make it strength. There's a million different ways to utilize the Rip Trainer, but we actually feel that it's one of the most important aspects of our training devices now. We incorporate it in the warm-ups to activate the core, develop that anti-rotation, so we reduce the chances of any type of back injuries occurring. That's the tip of the week. I'm Coach Hoffman for FirefighterFitnessOnline.com.